Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. It's part 2 to my move-in vlog. If you haven't watched part 1, then you should maybe watch that first. I mean, you'd be fine, but it would make more sense if you watched the first one first. Anyways, I just recently moved into my dorm at the University of Texas, and it was a long vlog, so I split it into 2, so that's why I'm introing this now. But yeah, I am super excited to share this with y'all. My room kind of comes together more in this one. It's still not done yet, but I can't wait to film a dorm tour once it's done. I think it's gonna be really cute, and I love dorm tours. But y'all, let me know down below where you go to college, just because I think it's really fun to see where everybody goes to school. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe, because I got a lot of fun stuff coming that I can't really talk about yet. Says every YouTuber ever, but I do have some stuff for me, some things I've never done before that I can't wait to share with y'all. And if you enjoy this, be sure to leave a big thumbs up. Anyways, I will stop talking so you can just watch the video. Yeah, hope you enjoy. So I just brought down some pillows that I had in a big, what's this called? Not industrial trash can, it's a work, I don't know.
Trash bag.
A big trash bag full of my stuff. This is my comforter from last year. I have more stuff that we're just kind of putting away for now. I think we just got the last load with the cart, or that I guess requires a cart. I carried down a big trash bag full of pillows. I think the moral of the story here is I have a million pillows, and then mom is out in the hall with more stuff that I have to take out the cart. And then we're getting there, ladies and gentlemen. We are closer. Look at such a mess, but you know, it'll be good soon. And then this is just artwork, and I don't know what to do with right now. Whoa.
So for now, we can just slide this sideways. Move that to the right.
Did you realize that on the show her name is Gina Linetti, like her name Chelsea Peretti? They sound the same, and in the show she and Jake were childhood friends, and in real life they were childhood friends, and she had a crush on Andy Samberg.
Cute.
So okay. It's like a play on a real thing.
Upstairs?
Y'all, my rug is the softest rug ever. It's actually from Ross. I was gonna buy one from Sam's because that's where my roommate got hers last year, but this one is just really soft. I'm too short for this setup, but there's not a lot of good places to set stuff down right now. Oh, so we put my stuff in storage, but because you know sometimes bugs get into storage, you never know, or just dust. But most of my stuff we put into these big trash bags just to protect it, and it also makes it a lot easier when it comes time to move it back and forth, because then you can just grab the bag instead of grabbing a bunch. So I just wanted to give you guys an update of what's in my room right now with stuff we brought. This whole box is stuff that goes in my desk, and if you're wondering where, I also am, because this whole box is full, and I don't know, I just love having lots of stuff there. I don't know, I just use a bunch. Here's my cute little wall art, some of it. This goes on the ground somewhere. I might maybe when I'm not moving, I might use it as a little footstool like that. We're still deciding that. Also, I don't really have a good place to set up my printer. So we had this idea of setting my printer up right there under my bed, but we need something to slide it in and out possibly. There's an outlet right back there, and it's high enough that it shouldn't be an issue. We just don't really know yet. Here's my poof. I have more pillows for my bedding. That's just a hot mess. I have so many linens. That's the biggest thing, and I probably say maybe don't do that. Don't buy 18 million linens. I like it, but I also probably need to get rid of some of it. Pro tip, it's just okay, you may trust your roommate and know your roommate. I definitely did, but it's not a bad idea to have a safe. I would just throw random stuff in there sometimes. Also for me, it's good to keep stuff in there that I might lose. It doesn't have to be super valuable to anyone else. It just needs to be oh hey, it's in my safe, I know it's safe. Haha, no, just to know that it's all in one place. I also brought my shower caddy, and I threw a bunch of random stuff in it, so I need to unpack my caddy, and I was thinking I was going to store that under the sink this year because now I have all that space. I don't know if I'm going to use these or not. I might just get rid of them. I used to use these in my bathroom, and I did not want to get rid of them on the slim chance that I might still use them, but I'm starting to think that I just don't need them. So right now what I'm gonna do is I have this little bookcase. I feel like it was shown in my room tour last year. So I have this bookcase we found at Savers and we painted it to kind of go with my stuff. But so what I'm going to do right now is I'm gonna dust it off. It's a little dusty from not being used. Gosh, the AC's blowing my hair. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is dust it off and put my books on it and then some other stuff. All I'm doing right now, I feel like, is just moving boxes to different places in the room. That's not really what it is, but it kind of is. I don't know. I wanted to show y'all really quick. So I just put this plant that used to be actually in my room. There's like a shelf like this last year, and so I just put that here because I think it looks real nice. And now what I have to do is take everything off of my bed and make my bed, and that'll be really fun. Hey y'all, it is kind of late today. It's 5 o'clock. We have been here for the past couple hours just moving my stuff into my room, making my bed. We just made my bed all pink, and basically what we've decided is I have the same comforter in white, and what I really like is, if y'all, you can't even tell, I really like more bright happy colors, and I kind of want to like not be all pink, and so my thought is I'll get the white and then just add a bunch of like fun bright colors with it. And so things are really coming together. I'm excited. Tomorrow's the last big day for the move, and so tonight we're gonna go get some other stuff done. But yeah, we've just gotten a lot of stuff moved around in here. We also have these two bins that we one of it has laundry I need to do, like more linens, and then one of them is just like stuff I don't need here. So yeah, we're about to head on out. Hey guys, I'm in my room now. It's Sunday night, the day I like officially had to be moved in by, and it is almost 6 o'clock. I'm so tired. I'm the worst at packing, but let me just show you kind of what is going on. We brought the last load up to my room. For now, I have everything I have to have. In like a week or two, I'm gonna want some more stuff because I didn't pack any jewelry. I didn't pack, like, I don't know, some extra skincare stuff that I can live a few days without. But so this is kind of what it looks like right now. I just have all these containers I need to go through. My closet is pretty empty, which is good. I mean, actually, my shelves in my closet is where I kind of need to put stuff, and then underneath my bed, like basically I have to put everything where it belongs now. And so I'm a little tired, but gotta just get it done. I have no idea where all my shoes are gonna go, but we'll figure that out later. Hey y'all, it is nighttime now and I'm still unpacking. I spent a lot of this evening working on the lounge with my mom, and I still have to hang up stuff on the wall there, stuff on the wall here, but there's a week before like any of my residents start moving in. It's more like 5 days, but like I have time before they move in for me to be able to work on it during the day after my training. So where we're at right now, I'm going to unpack my desk, put a few things in it. I'm gonna change my comforter. Hey y'all, it is much later now. I've showered. I hope you can tell I'm considerably cleaner than I was this whole vlog. Honestly, considering not posting it just because I look so, like, just my hair, it's so dirty. But like, okay, I was doing so much moving this weekend and I was so sweaty. It was like 104 one day that I was like, if I wash my hair now, it's just gonna get dirty again. But I wanted to show you my room really quick. I have the lights off because I turn the lights off when it's late. Whoa, that made me a ghost, okay? I'm so tired, y'all. I want to go to bed. So the chair is mostly clean. I don't have enough hangers right now, so I'll hang those up when I can. I put my stuff out on my desk. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, I have Birkenstock sitting there. But I put my stuff down there. That's not how I want to organize it, but I just have so much stuff that I just need to get out of the way and empty that box. So that box can go away soon. This is my bed. The pillows, oh my gosh, y'all. We've come a long way. My throw pillows look kind of bad because I was about to take them off. And like my blanket, again, I was like just chilling. I also pulled out my lamp so I could have some more light in here. I really want to get like a big lamp to go in that corner and go above that chair. I think that'd be perfect. But if you'll notice, I put my headboard up and it is totally crazy. It's used, so I don't know where it's from, but it's got matching bed skirts. It's all kind of a mess right now because it's a work in progress, but I am going to get some better throw pillows. This is just temporary. I'm gonna probably like hang some lights. I will be hanging stuff on my walls. This is all just very preliminary because I have training tomorrow and I can't really do too much decorating. I have my nightstand shelf over there. That little drawer is actually not a part of it, but I store a bunch of stuff in it. Got like my Bible, my journal there. My fake plants look really cute because in the daytime they look more real. Hello, this is me. I'm repping my Texas Longhorns in my cute sweatshirt and I love it. But yeah, everything's kind of coming together. Some stuff that's gonna move. I have my towel hanging there so it can dry. But yeah. Then there's some more stuff over there that kind of needs to go away. I don't know if I'm putting that in storage or like giving it away or what I'm doing. Oh, and then really quick, my water there. But this squirrel, I don't know if it's gonna live here or not, but I love this squirrel so much. And I changed up my plant, but yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I think it was probably super long, but I tried my best. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, I will be doing a dorm tour in the next couple weeks. I need to like get it actually done first, but by the time y'all are watching this, hopefully I am like more together. I start training in the morning. I'm so excited. Hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!